which is the most important chapter in Indian Penal Code. Now, if you have any awareness about the chapters, then you will definitely answer chapter 16. And if you don't know till date, remember that it is chapter 16 of Indian Penal Code which plays a very important role when we become an advocate. What is this dealing with? It discusses about offences affecting the human body. Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari and this particular chapter has as many as 79 sections, and this is a first video in this entire series where I am going to explain you guys that how exactly we are going to approach this particular chapter. Why to waste time? Let's get into the only slide. I am dividing this particular chapter into 6 different parts, and in the first part I am going to deal with the offences affecting the life of a person, and these are covered between section 299 to 318, where we are going to study what is culpable homicide, what is murder, negligence, dowry death, suicide, miscarriage, unborn and child. And then we discuss about the harm or injury to human body, that is covered between section 319 to 338, where we are going to understand what is hurt and grievous hurt. In the third part, I am going to discuss about all those offences related to some kind of movement, where we are covering section 339 to 348, which is all about wrongful restraint and wrongful confinement. Then what happens when somebody uses criminal force? That we are going to discuss between section 349 to 358, where we are discussing criminal force and assault. Then there are offences where somebody is taking away another person, which is discussed between section 359 to 374, which is all about kidnapping, abduction, and along with that we are also discussing about selling or buying of minors, slavery, forced labor, etc. And the last 3 sections, that is section 375 to 377, are about the offences related to sex, where we are going to discuss about rape and unnatural offences. And while discussing all these provisions, we are also discussing the punishment part in detail. 79 sections is not going to be easy because few of them are very important. The first section itself, 299, which discusses about culpable homicide, and then immediately the murder. So 299 and 300 itself is a big thing to deal. So I hope I am going to cover those 2 sections, or at least I will brief what is culpable homicide and murder in my next presentation. Till then, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. All the very best for whatsoever purpose you are referring my channel, and thanks again.